Okay, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to the live stream. A lot of stocks to go through today, so let's not waste any time. Let's not waste any time at all. So let's go through each of the stocks. Quite a few hitting the 30% mark, almost 30% mark yesterday. So we got Gene Tech, Toyo Ven as well, almost limiting up. Euro starting to crack already after its monster run, after its monstrous run. So we'll see if we can catch any dips on it again today and identify a few levels before the market open. CMAO as well, pushing up a lot. Look at that daily chart. Huge extension, 100% in 5 days. So another one of these extended stocks. SCIB, K Power. Same. They look like they move the same way. So these two we'll be watching together. If one moves, most likely the other will move with it either later or at the same time. And the next one, Kobe. Rather extended on the daily chart as well. 60% up in the past few days. So these are the stocks that we're going to be watching for the morning. Either a continuation move or dip buy. So I'm going to draw a few, try to figure out a few support levels for Euro in case it starts to dip. Support levels. I think I've drawn most of it. So the first support level I identify will be around 450. So 5 ringgit, 490-ish, then 450-ish, and around 4 ringgit, 410, and then the previous rebound 370. Let's check out the limit down price for Euro. 364 is the limit down. So near the first dip. Yep, near the first big dip is where the limit down is, and identified a few rebound points. 450 will be the first. 450 will be the first test. Or 5 ring. 490 plus 490, 495 will be the first test. And then if it breaks 490, we'll look for a bounce around 450. Toyo Ven as well. This one doesn't have much support yet. Decent support around the 2 ringgit area. Very weak stuff lah. Toyo Ven. First bounce was around 220. Second bounce was around 2. And then high of all time before yesterday was 284. So those would be the levels to watch if it breaks. And also 290 and 3-ish will be levels to watch for. Looks like Toyo Ven is gonna gap up. No surprise there. Everything looks like it's gonna gap up. So let's see. Toyo Ven gapped up, Euro gapped up. Everybody's gapping up. See if we can catch any continuation moves. K Power to break 290 and 3 for a breakout. Yeah, everything looks rather strong for now this morning. But we were looking for the first pullback in order to trade. Oh, Toyo Van pushing through 370 already straight away. Opening at 352, pushing up to 370 right off the open. Euro, low volume, little bit red. So let's see if K Power will have enough power to break above 288. It is very extended right now, so probably no entries. Gotta wait for the first pullback. We wait for the first pullback in order to trade it. It's high of all time, 289. Looks like it broke 288 already. 290 will be the next resistance. It's probably gonna follow SCIB. If SCIB continues running, K Power will continue as well. But we give it time, give it some time to push upwards and then retrace. Then we pick it up on the second move. Let's just focus on Euro and Toyo Van first. Let's see if Euro will have enough volume to sell off down to about 480. I guess 480 will be the first bounce from yesterday. So far looks like some strong support at 5, but after 5 it's straight down to 490. So SCIB selling off a bit, pulling back. Let's see if K Power follows. See if Euro can continue dipping, break below the 5 ringgit mark first. That's the first point we want to see it break. Break below the 5 ringgit mark. Let's see if we can continue breaking the 5-minute mark, the 5 ringgit mark. Hopefully this won't be the rebound spot because this has very small reward zone. Looks like it's not going to break. SCIB pulling back already. Let's see how K Power behaves. So there's a lot of stocks to look at, so I'll be jumping here and there. Sima is slow. Toyo Van rebounding off of 343, 350, 345, 350. So these candles are actually very, very large. This candle right here is 27 cents. 18 cents, but gapped up 9 cents. So let's see if Toyoven can break its highs again at 370. If we can break 370, you can probably move up quite quickly. LBI cap and jacks, topping the percent gainer list. LBI capital just green all the way this morning. Wow. But the daily chart looks quite bad, so gotta leave it be first. Give it a few days to build anything. So let's see Toyoven. Let's watch Toyoven. See if it will have any sort of momentum to push through 370. SEMA across 375. What's that? Is this dipping? Small sell-off. Any potential dips on this? Draw a few basic levels here and there. Here as well. So let's see. I'm gonna try and get a quick entry at 3.7. See if we can get a continuation through 3.7. See whether we can push through all the way 3.8, 3.9. There we go, 3.75. Let's see if we can go through 3.8. Okay, slight pullback. That's fine. Let's see if we can continue upwards 3.78, 3.79, 3.8, break through 3.8. Very, very decent momentum here. Good support at around 370, 368. Just need to see some buying come in around 379. See if we can push through. Struggling a bit right here. It's fine. So let's see how well it will take this pullback. Let's see if we can close this candle green. Looks like it's a big sell order right there. So I might stop out half my position if we don't push back above 370. If we don't start building a support around 368, 369, 370, then I might stop out half my position. Yep, looks like there's a bit of struggle coming on now. So not too confident that it can continue, but we'll give it some time to work. Let's break through 370. Once we can get through all of this selling, then we can push through all the way up to 380 already. Still watching, still holding for the continuation of the momentum. So I want to see the sell orders get eaten up. Oh, looks like there's more resistance coming in already. Not the best sign. Okay, let's see if we can push back up through 379. Here we go. Let's see. Let's watch for a break of 379 into 380 up to 385. There we go. There will be, looks like there's some resistance on the way up, but doesn't look too hard to clear. 374, 375. Let's see 375 get cleared. Yep, this is exactly what I want to see. 375. Let's see 375 get cleared. 377, 378. Bit of resistance at 374. Okay, we got cleared. Let's see if we can get through 376. Still resistance around 374. Can we get through 377, 378? I'm still watching the orders. Watching the 377. There we go. Slowly clearing. Oops. A bit of resistance around 378. There's a bit of resistance, 378, 380. But that's what we want to see it clear. That is the main level we have to clear in order for this move to continue upwards. I sold a bit at 378. Oops. I sold like with one quarter of my position at 378. Let's watch for 379. There we go. Let's watch 380 break. Nice. Let's push up. Let's push upwards. Push upwards. See how far it can go. 390 is our next resistance. I'll start to look for my profit already if it hits around 387. See if we can break 385, 387. So struggling a bit around 380, 379. You gotta work fast. Okay, cleared a bit more at 380. Looks like it's getting a bit choppy here. But let's see if we can push through 385, 389. Nice. Let's see if we can hold above 385. I'm selling very quickly in small chunks because of how thin the orders are. It can just disappear. I mean, it can just sell off extremely quickly. So getting rid of it, getting rid of my position very, very quickly in chunks. So it doesn't matter if I miss the continuation later on, but I just want to secure my profits when I'm in positive, when I'm positive, sorry. So a bit more at 387. To see if we can break through 390. Struggling a bit. Okay, I'm letting go the rest of my position at 385. Maybe I could have held it longer, but that's fine. I missed out a very little bit of profit. Maybe I could have held for the break of 390. So, yep, it's trying to push back above. Won't be surprised if it manages to push through 394 and fly all the way up, but with this much resistance and with this much extension already, I just want to lock in my profits. Yep, it broke through 390 already, just like that. So I would have taken my final chunk around 392, 393. So missed out about 7 to 8 cents of profit on my remaining tiny little size, but no big issue, not a big issue. Missed out a few $100, not the end of the world. So, but I played quite a small size. I played only 200 lots. 200 lots, averaging probably about I'd say 383 on the sell. So a good probably about 3K on this quick trade. Look, it pushed up all the way already. But that's fine. We take those. Wow, I think it's gonna break 4. Could have held all the way. Man. That's insane. Yep, broke 4 already. 402. 402, 408, 410. Wow, this is gonna go rocketing to the moon now that I left. Well, what can you do, right? Take the profits and run. It's crazy, man. Look at that. No, I sold my last position down here because I just wanted to lock in profits. I wanted to hold my remaining position and sell it around 322, 392, 395. So in the end, I would have let it go here anyways. I wouldn't have caught this move. There's no way I caught this move. Because this is like the first or second day of momentum after quite a cold streak over the past few days. It's been quite cold. The market has been quite cold, so obviously I want to capture the profit whenever I have the chance. Let's do some quick calculations. Yeah, so just under 3k on the quick position here. Just under 3k with just a 20,000 share position, which is quite good already. So good to see that Toyo Van is picking up more volume. Very, very good volume. You see, whoever is controlling the stock, he probably follows my YouTube channel, is trying to fake us out right here. But nah, man, we're not gonna get faked out. So the secret, I think, to those two that are watching right now, and whoever is replaying the small tweak to breakouts this month or in this market is to lower the share size and increase the risk. So instead of playing my full size and increasing and risking what I usually risk, I play about half size and double my risk. So if it fails, I lose the same amount, but my frequency of winning will be higher for this month specifically. Let's see if SCIB and K Power can push back up. Looks like they want to. Looks like SCIB is already gearing up for it. There we go. SCIB looks like it's gonna pop above 215 level. And then I'm watching K Power for a break above 290, 291. So SCIB with some resistance, probably around 315 area. Not that bad. Very good buying support on SCIB. But I'm gonna focus my eyes on K Power because they move in tandem. So Toyoven maintaining 4 ringgit very well. So light sell off here. So no entries yet. Let's check our top percent. Toyoven on the top. Samaiden came up a bit with 14 million volume. Not bad, not bad. So breaking its all-time high is Samaiden. Let's see if we can find a breakout on it or after the first pullback. So keep it on the side. Toyoven looks like it's going to break above its high again, 410. Obviously, we're not going to play this small retracement. Let's see if SCIB will have enough strength to push up through 215. Again, reducing position size on these plays. Reducing position size, increasing the risk level. So let's watch SCIB. First, I want to see this happen, then I will look for an entry on K Power. Yep, there we go. SCIB selling off, K-Power selling off as well, breaking down through 288 already. So give it more time. Give it more time. Euro looks messy as hell. Toyo Van breaking 410. Very strong momentum. Very, very, very strong momentum. We love stocks like these because we know what happens when stocks go and fly. We know what happens when the stock rockets to the moon. There we go. They move literally in tandem. SCIB sells off. K-Power sells off as well. So let's focus our energy on Toyo Van. So if you bought into 410, congratulations. Hope you take your profits fast. Not sure how high this can go. It's about to limit up soon, I think. Let's check what's the limit up. 445 is the limit up price. So not much left to pull. About 20 more cents. Crazy, man. This is momentum. You love to see it. So let's check out there. Okay, K-Power selling off a lot more than I anticipated. Could potentially find a cheeky little dip, maybe a 2 to 3 cents dip. I mean, okay, fine. It's not worth it. No, no, no. I take back what I just said. It's not worth it. If the dip is this small, it's definitely not worth it. If you can drop all the way down to like 270, then maybe I'll pick it up for a quick dip buy. $276, $275. Wow, okay. Possible. Watching. Wow, what is this dip, dude? It's incredible. Wow. Okay, I picked up a bit at 268. See if I can top up on 270. Yep, I topped up a bit more at 270. Looking for the quick move up. Wow. Okay. Taking a bit off the table at 277 if we can get a fill. See if we can get fill at 277. Yep. Okay, we took off some at 277. Nice, dude. This is insane. Look at this crazy. This is momentum, dude. That's insane. That's actually insane. Taking a bit more off the table. Holding only 100 lots left. Just wanted to secure some profits on the way up. And then I think the final position, I'm going to hold it, stopping out at maybe 270. Or once it breaks 275, then I'll stop out. If not, I'll hold it. Hopefully I can see it push back up all the way to maybe 280 plus. Holding a very small position. Sold most of it into 277, 275, 270. So most of them sold up here. Wow. This is crazy. Crazy, sick momentum. So we're breaking 2.8. Very nice, very nice. I might let go a bit more at 2.8 if it fails to hold. Clearing a bit more at 2.8. Nice. And holding the rest for continuation up until I see the first red candle, then I'll sell. Or I might stop out at 2.79 if it breaks back down below 2.8. Just secure my profits. Is it going to hold 2.8? Can it hold 2.8? Looks like no. Okay, I'm going to sell it. 2.79. They're very nice. Very nice. That was so quick. Oh my god. My laser entries as well. That's insane. So I picked up 2 entries. One at 2.68. 2.7. Oh my god. So sick. So sick. Let's see. Look at that. Laser entry, man. Laser dip buy entry. Picking up the very quick move. So here we go. Momentum is in play. This is where we come back. And selling at the top as well. Oh my. We're on point today, man. So sick. Oh my god. There we go. Oh my. Even our exits were on point. Another very quick little 3K, I think. About there. Bought probably averaged about 269. And my average sells around probably around 277. So woof. Let's go. Maybe if you can find one more trade today, push us above 10K mark. I think we're about 6K now. So let's see. Let's see if we can catch more momentum. There's a lot of volume flowing into the market now, especially on these small medium cap stocks. JF Tech. Why did JF Tech hit my... Oh, okay. There we go. This might be another play right here, right now. Let's have a look. JF Tech. Let's see if we can pick up anything on this. Quickly identify some rebound points. 650 might be a good rebound point. Picked up a bit at 652. But very, very small position at 652. Only 4,000 shares. See how far we can ride this. I don't want to add any more. Don't add too much. Oh, I got full fill at 652. Nice. So I'm looking to peel off some of the position very, very quickly. Okay, selling a bit up here. Okay, the next I want to ride it out to 670, 675. So that was my first proper take profit, 675. Sold a bit at 663 so far. I want to see it break 670 first. See if we can break through 670. 670 is the main resistance right now. See if we can break through 670. I'll probably take off a bit more at 670. Yep, selling a bit more at 670. Slowly peeling off my position, especially on stocks that are trading this thin. I don't want to hold too much. So it doesn't matter if I don't catch the whole move. I want to catch the consistent profit. So I want to trade it in a way that I can trade it 100 times and get consistent profits every single time. So hitting some resistance up here, approaching 680, no surprise. So obviously 675, 677 shouldn't be too hard to clear. 675 should get cleared already. Let's see. Struggling a little bit. There we go. 675 is clear. After 680, looks like it's going to be very easy to break through. Let's see if we can see 677, 676. Okay, looks like decent support at 675. Watch it break 677. Then I might let go a bit more. Come on, let's see 677. Nice, 677. Let's see if I manage to sell any. Yep, I managed to sell a bit more at 677. And letting go the remaining at 673. Super quick trade. Let's see, about probably another 2K right there in like 2 minutes. Oh my god, we're getting so much momentum. Jumping from stock to stock to stock to stock. Yep, another quick 2K right there. Oh my god. Laser. CMAO broke out. I was looking at this, but I think the stock is rather thin on the orders. Yeah, it's so thin. So it's even if I hold 100 lots, it's going to be quite tough to play. Yeah, I sold on JF Tech, you mean? JF Tech. Hey, where did the... Yeah, right here. So these are my entries and exits. 1 second. So very, very quick one. Bought 100 lots into 652. So down here, look at that laser entry. 652. So into 663 to cut some profits. 670, 677, 673, all out. Insane, 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 insane. We're on fire today. So C-mount breaking out, K-power. Looks like it's gonna fail already. Gonna set an alert down below here in case it continues dipping. Supermax is just dead. Samaiden, alert up here in case it pushes back up for a breakout, because it just broke all-time high. It just broke all-time high of about 175, holding 180. Have to break 190 and 2 ringgit, so it might be quite tough to play this. Toyo Van selling off a bit. Euro looks quite dead as well. Okay, I think time to cool off. Time to cool off. Looks like everything is slowing down already. Check the screener, anything popping up. Oh, look at the orders, man. Holy. Look at all the orders executed today. And it's only 40 minutes in, 45 minutes into the day, all the orders that I executed. Sick. Wow, unlucky. Today only one viewer. This is the strongest, probably the most momentum I've seen in the past like 3 weeks. And nobody is watching. What a shame. What a shame. At least you got to experience the excitement. Yeah. You booked out the whole room, you took all the seats. Nobody can come and watch. Yeah. Maybe you have to watch more. And then you can bring all of the momentum into the market. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. It's insane. Okay, let's watch Simao. Probably won't get any plays on this again because it's already extended. And the orders are way too thin. But everything else seems to be dying off already. I've set some alerts for Toyo Van in case it dips. Euro has alert here already in case it dips again. I will not be surprised if Euro dips hard today after a red day yesterday. K Power. This one is gonna looks like it's gonna trade within this range. So will I be interested in a breakout? Maybe, but the structure is so bad already, so I might not play it. And obviously it is quite extended, I think. It's not too bad. It's not too bad, but definitely had a few green days. So a dip would not be surprising. And I mean, I can just ignore the gloves lah. Gloves are dead. Samaiden doesn't look like there's going to be much movement on this today. So I'm just going to close this so that I can focus on just a few. Euro is so retarded. Oh my god. Look at that. That movement. Yeah. So what to look forward to? What trades am I going to be... what stocks am I going to be looking at for potential trades? Probably Toyo Van, maybe right now. If it breaks below... let's see, what levels do we want to see it break to? If it breaks all the way down to 370, then I might pick up a small chunk of it. Let's see how far it can dip. Because a stock that is this thin, I will not be surprised if it just flushes down all the way. 371, 370, 369. And maybe all the way down to 350 as well. It's possible. Or it just might hold 380. You know. Because you can see a big chunk of buyers here. So it looks like it's going to hold 380, but I'm not going to get into this one. It didn't dip as much as I want. I take that back. It broke 380. So this is what it's like to trade like super thin stocks. You saw it hold 380 just now, and then you saw it break up below 370, 378, 377, like instantly. So this kind of choppy action is slightly harder to trade. And there wasn't enough reward for me to pick it up lah. That's fine. So you can keep doing this for the whole day. You see, you can go, it just jumped from 380 to 399. Just like that, just straight up to 399. But I probably wouldn't be able to fill anything. What the hell? Okay, so let me do a quick sweep through the market to see what I'm looking at for the rest of the day, because I have a meeting at 10, so I gotta go off already. Simao, probably will be watching Simao, maybe for dips again, because all of these extended stocks, you don't want to try and catch the upside, because you don't know when it's gonna reverse. So probably gonna wait for a dip on this. Toyo Van, more dips as well, probably below 370. I'm interested all the way down to 350, 345. Then I might pick it up for a quick dip buy. K Power again, dips again. That's about it, I think. So 3 stocks on my watch for the rest of the morning, right? And then for any breakouts, if you want to get alerted, if you want to see trading ideas for breakouts, make sure you're part of the Discord. right? The free trading Discord, first link in the description. If you're watching this in the replay, make sure you help me hit the like button, subscribe if you have not. I trade every single morning, 9 to 10 a.m. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you have any questions, just drop into Discord and chat with the community. So thank you for tuning in. For those who are watching, I'll see you again tomorrow morning.